Salibonani linjani, welcome back to i-podcast yabantu, i-podcast yomhlaba la esibuya khona sizoxoxa ingxoxo esihlukahlukeneyo. Namhlanje angihambi ngedwa, ngiliphathele la angifuni ukumbiza ngamanye amabizo esicabanga ukuthi thina right but agcina esengathi derogatory so ngesikhiwa pha ngosimomondiye osiqabhobho ngikubize ngithini ntwana
Yolando right.
Yolando right. Yoli yours.
Safe. Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Welcome to i-podcast yabantu.
Thank you.
Unjani?
Yo. Happy.
Okay, because of air we talk a lot, guys, because umna wami lo, so kuba lula ukuthi sixoxe ngayo yonke into, and then masisibuya la kuzobe kunama inside jokes and things that we talk about a lot that yabe ngimbuza ngazo. One thing though that I love or that I know about her is that she loves love.
Oh shame.
The Dr. Love. Sabona Dr. Love.
The one and only.
What makes you love love so much?
Yes, angazi.
Yeah.
But my mom used to love my novels. This cat is cool.
Oh.
You know, your romantic novels. Some of them that were not supposed to be in my hands, but I'll steal them
and read.
So G. Then I was like, okay. Yeah, but the way they describe Utando, my novels.
Oh, okay.
Man. So I'm just like, okay, this is possible, and I wanted. So since getting yeah, I know Vengtandi isn't doing it's fine, but I wasn't that young.
Okay.
So, just to put it out there.
Okay, because I already have a question. You would say you read from novels. You're a young adult now, and this means you have also experienced love and given love. How has that experience been like?
Have I experienced love?
Haven't you?
Me.
You can't be this age and you haven't maybe at least a bit of it.
You. Hey, Angas.
Yeah.
Angas, but yeah. I think. Hi, Angas.
But you give a lot. You give a lot of love.
Oh, I do.
Yeah.
I do.
Why?
I go all out. I feel like I'm giving what I actually expect to or think I deserve. Yeah, bo.
Yeah.
So so I've given a lot of love, Shem, and I still do. But in terms of witty, I've experienced love. I don't want to say I haven't experienced it.
Yeah.
Because I feel like where I stand right now, from the narrative that I heard about love from Gudar, I think manje ngiku stage so ukuthi I'm actually questioning ukuthi what is love. So
isn't it because you read or you saw a lot of it from novels?
And what I've experienced is nothing near
compared to that.
Nothing.
But then okay, what do you expect? Like as a woman, what would you expect to be given as love? How would you define love and the one that you really want to be given to you?
I would say love is the love that I want, or what love is, from what I believe a partnership.
Yeah.
Making life easier for each other. You think for me, I think for you in everything, and we just make life easier for each other, man.
Yeah. But now the challenge with, if you allow me to think for you, are there boundaries?
Yes, definitely there are boundaries, but I mean in terms of impilo nje ekuphilisane, if you see that there's somewhere that I'm lacking, or there's I don't know, a point in life whereby I need a helping hand or something like that.
Yeah.
And I'm not talking about imali Nkosi yami for bazongithuka.
Is this my e-wallet?
No, there's so many things. Like life is my guys on its own, one.
Sometimes you just need an ear or a shoulder to cry on.
Exactly. Like oh shame, umuntu wami is not okay today. Where's partner, we have those days in the month. Just show up nje. You know what I like. And what
do you guys expect from us during that time of the month? Because sometimes we don't understand. You sit there, you're moody, I ask you what's wrong, you say nothing. 2 minutes later you're crying.
So like we want you to be there, but don't be there.
But then, like, how, like njani
iba khona ungabi khona. Okay, there's a time where you are in pain and this person is just it feels frustrating at that time when you're just roaming around and you don't know where you put your things, or you're always questioning baby this, baby that, baby that. And that time uzamngumameli pain yakho. So what you can do, run me a hot bath, you know, make me my favorite breakfast. On that day, we just want to be lazy. We don't wanna
be in your pajamas the whole day.
Be in my pajamas the whole day. Sit down with me, cuddle me. Ungangifakele nescoop samanzi ashisayo nje ukuze ngibe right. We Netflix and chill for the rest of the day.
But Yolanda, sihlale hill bro, sidivide ngekhetheni. Amanzi awachisi.
Iboni plan.
As a man, I must make a plan.
Okay, amanzi awachisi. It's fine. But there's a lot that you can do. For the
future
ukuthi sithandana sinjalo sisema hill pro marketing and stuff. It means there are things that we can do kulawo marketing
that fit that environment.
So you look at your environment ukuthi kunjani. If it means ukuthi wena uzovuka uyoboleka igedlela ngozibani njengoba sivele siyenza angithi obviously siyageza. Siboleka kuphi igedlela ngalelo langa makungabi imphelo yehla ama steps nge33 ngiyocela igedlela. Hamba ungisurprise ngisathi ngiyacabanga ukuthi shimele ngehla ama steps nama pain. Mbona usungena negedlela usungipha amanzi ngijabula kabi.
Those are the things that will make you feel better. But iningi lenu manje seems like the only thing that makes you feel better is money. Why is that?
I'm fine.
In England, it might not be you. So now, I'm glad because also, I mean, knowing you, I have seen the person that you are. What do you think makes some women do that? Like whereby imali now becomes the only thing, becomes the lubricant or the catalyst in a relationship?
I feel like maybe I won't say all of them because khona vele umuntu vele yena natural ozithandela izinto from the word go. But if you find there are some umuntu muzi ukuthi this person has really tried a lot in relationships and shem high abomambeli kahle like ever since. So that person then now resorts to saying I've tried dating,
they give up.
Yes, you know the type where they say I'd rather go cry in a yacht than cry. Exactly.
I'd rather cry in a mansion ngihlafuna than ukhala ngilambile.
Because umuntu be like sengizamile ngisamba ngenyawo sibambela nama umbrella but still ngakhala. So even though vele ngizokhala but ngcono ngikhali ngazi ukuthi I'm gaining something from there.
Isn't that creating like a false narrative now about relationships?
I think the moment vele figure to that point I say relationship, but now what?
Transaction.
So we transaction. I give you my time for those few minutes when you just take care of me as long as ngi right.
Kahle ugeli laba abafuna imali ngalolo hlobo bayathengisa phela. I mean it's the truth.
You can say that in your words.
Like it's me who's saying that.
Yes, you can say that in your words.
Continue.
Abanye banokuthi kuyafana, it's not like you can say
no,
that.
Say it the way you want to say it. Say it the way you want to say it.
Uyasho phela umuntu ukuthi okay angithi vele i-transaction asikho serious, so there's no way I'm going to say to you izophelela kumalobolo into yakhona. So I'm just eating imali yamalobolo.
Sukadliwana idlana lami ngidli.
But not like lawo yabungaphiwanga.
And then those things damage people though.
All they do, because we told Guti that person, the lady that's coming now, ufunimali and stuff. She's from bed. She doesn't communicate that with you. She gives you a false narrative. You're good in a relationship, and you keep and when in your mind you are building.
You think you are building,
that this person is just there for this, and by the time you realize it, now. So kuwe futhi usethelele wena lo mkhuhlane wakho, you're going to the next person. Uyomzwisa ubuhlungu because uzibani bani ufike wangenza so.
But what are we teaching, or what are we going to teach our children, like the boys and the girls, about relationships? Because many of what they learn,
it's from what they see.
That's it.
Hey, unfortunately,
because if we do not take time, sit down with them and show them a bit of what we think will work, I think we either we are already a broken generation. I don't know a generation which is a binjani when it comes to relationships, because right now people are slowly losing like hope in relationships, in love, which is why I started by asking, like, what is love and what do you believe really is love? Because this is what's happening. I meet you with no intentions whatsoever to commit. The only thing that I'm interested in is she's beautiful. Then ngiyotshela amajidala phana majenzi ngidlile ini. 2 months later sengihamba senguchiya la lo engimtholayo la ngizomchiya lo mnye ngimtholayo ngizomchiya. Where is sophelelaphi?
Into yakho na vele ifana nokuthi ube nama-apula nje endlini ubulokhu uluma ushiya. Ayobola ideni uyidenda uzowalahla.
But is there any hope for us though?
Okay, mina personally where I stand, I've always believed ukuthi uNkulunkulu angeke nje manangilethi and for me to be used by a man kanjalo nje, there has to be someone out there who will fit anything and everything that I want and that I've always prayed to God about. That's why mina abantu bethi I don't want to conform myself to such beliefs. I refuse. I feel like the one that is yours will fit in perfectly well. Now my requirements that you've got, of course umuntu ngeke abe perfect, but kulawo my imperfections wakhe, it's not for the purpose of ukuthi akubreak or whatsoever, no. But into esihlangana nazo singabantu. So I feel like if people just keep that belief ukuthi there is someone out there for me, which is very difficult
to find.
It's very difficult to find, and it's also very difficult to convince yourself like that, especially also to puma from one relationship to the next. Still the same thing, but I hope you know for most of us I question
right. And
I say cool.
And I think also what makes it difficult, like I'll put you in this case, like you guys as ladies, you are the hunted, and umchita yena maye efuna wena most of the time you're not given a chance or an opportunity to check ukuthi uyikho yini lokho okufunayo. You know, you are, it's more of like I want you and you have to accept. But now if you are looking at comparing abazali bethu nabazali babo, comparing them to us and lama 2000 siyaphambili. What changed?
My phone number one. My phone. Oh, the economy changed.
Economy as well, right?
The economy changed. Kudala ngithokhulu babesebenza e-rail, uthoka ngabe-railways. Ukulamba yasebenza, fika sebenza simbone after 6 months esezoshiya khona kakushile esiyothatha kwakubaphilisa, they were okay with it. But now sesifunda, girls want to be corporate girlies, bafuna ukuzenzela into zabo.
You can't spend a day without talking to your guy.
Njani vele kuthiwa if he wants to he will, and it's true Shem, if he wanted to he will. Ngeke wena uzohlala iday lonke
sikhulumani guys and every day.
No, usithandana njani singakhuluma every day?
No, uthe wena okhulu bethu babethandana labo gogo bethu.
Hayi ugogo wayengela phone, wayecabanga ngabe imama labhala incwadi.
So let's go back to that. Mina I believe ukuthi ama phone, we are allowing them to hurt us, to break us. We are allowing them to control how we feel. Like
I refuse.
Because guys, engekho amafoni we still loved one another.
Guys, amafoni engekho ayefihla ukuthi ukhulu wamba ayabona unazi bani. Wayengabambeki ukhulu ngoba akula evidence.
But now the problem
is just exposing into enizenzayo.
But if we can't we get to a point where we accept ukuthi vele people are like this and then we live like that?
Like what?
Like men are going to cheat.
Never. I refuse.
Men are going to.
Father God, not mine. Not mine. Never.
But how are you going to control him?
I'm not going to control him.
But what are you going to do?
Owami. Also, like, he's not going to cheat. I refuse.
Pela, let me say one thing. Speaking for Machida, there is no man who wakes up in the morning ati, yeah, I want to cheat.
Oh no.
There's nothing like that. I wake up, ngeze, ngihambe, ngithi ngisemo lapha yana mangise queue, kube lo siso uyazothi, awuna checker shopper, awuna pick and pay smart shopper. Mangimnika so, ngibona ukuthi umuntu lo muhle lo.
Sometimes.
Angimthandi.
Unguthathekile.
It's like kunento ethiwa last ne, ngimkhalele. Now, there are two things. If ngamkhalela la yakhaleleke, a mistake is going to happen. But ngamkhalela la adaye today, nginomuntu or whatever, then it's a different story altogether.
I know.
At the end of the day,
no. The thing is with men, you always love to act like you guys are the only ones that go through temptations in Mhlabeni. We are all humans and everyone gets tempted.
But you guys are
not discipline.
But you guys you are not hunting, you are hunted. So even if you get tempted, you must keep it to yourself. Tina, we were created to hunt.
Oh, hey, Jehovah.
Yikho umkhonto phela.
No, umkhonto wani. Likwaza kuphi? Cause no, you guys ni selfish. Because you've always nina supportwa ibasis leyaseBhayibhelini ukuthi indoda inhloko siza kufela size siyobhubha lokho labantu bethu. No, but guys, then you cannot use that as a way of defending ungazithandi when as a human being and not being disciplined.
So isithembu is the solution?
No, ayisithembu sana. Isithembu nesithembu uthanda abafazi. Ngomuntu ofuna nje ukujustify ukuthi yena vele lihlo lakhe kalincisho. That's why uzohlala ukuthi wena namhlanje sefaka number 3 kusasa number 4.
So then we are not real as people. We are not accepting nature. Nature says, nature is. I'm gonna go out there. I'm gonna see a flower, and I wanna pick it.
I'm also going to go out there. I'm gonna see a guy driving a Mercedes Benz. Ngikhumbula ukuthi wena uhamba nami ngeinyawo. Ngithemteke. Khumbula ukuthi shame nomuntu wami sibuya good. Eating is course and carry on walking. And uzongishela yazi uzoyimisa imoto. A drive eceleni kwami.
Most of them.
Ngimbona ukuthi lo
ungambona se drive Mercedes married. Most times.
Ungambona naye hamba phandle ugele eshadile muhle lo muntu omnakekelayo menza acwebezela.
Because umjida ukuthi azayithenga iMercedes A1 engashadanga is very difficult.
No girl uthabe muhle so ya sometimes kunzima ukuthi abe njalo ngoba uyabheka into eziningi unayo umuntu omqoqayo.
We need to accept, guys. Mina this is my take. My podcast amahle. I don't know what to take with a comment section. Indoda, but also maybe ngicorrectly nesithembule, especially nxa ule imali evuma anjo. Wenza ukuthi ungagcina usucheata and being promiscuous and what not. Hlonipha umakoti makuyukuthi uyabona phandle ngale umhloniphe umtshele ngahle ngesintu uthatha isithembu. Because I'm speaking for men here. Engaze kukhulume njani uYolanda, she's speaking from a perspective yabafazi. That's what they feel, that's what they want. But eqinisweni indoda nxa usenelisa ule mali usenelisa ukuba nakekela thatha isithembu.
Ngiyavuma bosisi. Ngiyavuma ngcono ukuthonga umazi zakhela uhlala uyi1. Ngiyavuma ukuhlukunyezwa indoda. Especially in this, it's fine. It's fine. Kukhona amashop lawa abochomi ne. Please go there.
That thing will not satisfy you. That thing will satisfy the same way.
Ngone useklishe for that bare minimum, maybe are from that. Do you know the emotional trauma that comes with lento le that you are suggesting? Do you know?
But you guys still go through the trauma anyway, because when unje Yolanda
also when into isho love milano ukuthi nje women should be traumatized.
Women should accept ukuthi amadoda and because okutraumatizayo it's nature. Traumatizayo lina is the fact that you don't want to accept. Akula muntu lenkani njengomfazi, you guys alifuna ukuvuma lutho.
Guys, uNkulunkulu wathi senza uAdam ne wafaka uEve.
Yeah.
Kazange kwaba lo Evelina no Evelyn no Eve babe ngu4 engadini for Adam.
But Solomon had how many
but
thousand?
But this was after Adam sebewonile sebeganyile no Eve. Okusho that was a result of isono.
So now we are living in that time.
No.
Yes, no. So like you guys, the thing is, let me tell you, I'm telling you this thing, ne? Try all you want. Liyasidlisa lisenzeni indoda will never be satisfied umfazi oyi-1.
Wow.
Lekho it's not up for debate. It's nature.
It is up for debate because it sounds like amadoda bona yibo that are supposed to get away with a lot of nonsense. Wait.
But it's nature.
Wait, you start them. Hey ndoda kumele umuntu akuchithela umithi umntanakhe. Siqale lapho, ne? Number 1. Sekuchithele wafaka omunye umuntu, the trauma that you're going through umithi ngapha umuntu sekubonisa imriviti abekuthe kuthanda yena ngali tempted man. After that sengikuzaleli, you get to walk away. You get to walk away and say mina I'm not getting involved in this. Sala sisilomntanakho. Usudonatile wena lokho uzokudonate okuzoyenza umntwana qeda lapho yahamba yanshiya. Nina my privileges are way too much. Way too much for my liking.
Yeah.
And it's done because nina senazitshela na generalize vele you want to subject women to believe ukuthi wonke amadoda ayafana. Amadoda wonke awafani. There will be people that will love you. Uzibusika kanti awungaphi ngihlangana labo John labo Peter labo bani bani.
I know.
So nje ngoba lina lifuna ukudefend ukungcola kwenu ningakwazi ukuthi lizicontrol libe disciplined. Now you want to pollute the whole universe.
Let me respond. Yes, amadoda awafanani, same as also women abafanani. Vele nxa wena ungasidalelwa ngisithembo vele ngeke usiyenze. Kodwa makuyikuthi vele kumele ukuthi ube laso uzobala sometimes whether uyafuna or awufuni. Ngoba futhi silama reasons ahlukene. Remember back in the day babesenzelana not nje ukuthi semphuma ngiyofeba but ukuthi indoda ebisithi maye ngabe silimile laphana kunamasimo amakhulu inkomo sezizinengi sokumele kuzalwa abantwana wena ungundlunkulu suzalile abantwana laphela ithumbu maybe 4 5 which is why sometimes uthola sebezale 8 9 10 11 then ukwenzela ukuthi wena uphumule sesibisa phela umama omncane
kanti wena uphumule ngani. When we have why
remember I don't get pregnant. Also that's where we have to base it from. When you get pregnant, so that time when you're pregnant kumele uphumule yabo while isthi nami umama omncane ngapha engijabulise eceleni.
You can do that umuntu pregnant.
I know futhi kumnandi nxa umuntu pregnant.
No, you can do that umuntu pregnant.
Akumnandi kakhulu nxa umuntu pregnant.
It's very much possible to do that.
But then umfana zofonala ba
akusimfana.
Salubonani we are on set.
Don't drop it.
I think at some point we need to accept, both of us, male and female. Females were accepted some things and males also were accepted some things, because I agree with you on saying lawe uyaphuma phandle ngalo uyabona uyangcina lawe usubona omunye, but I think it shouldn't get to that.
It shouldn't get to that ngoba ngumfazi.
Yeah.
And when ngubuyindoda, because nature tells you to do it, it will get there.
Yeah. It doesn't even tell you, it just happens on its own.
Ooh, guys, kumele kuvulwe ama branches engutsheni amaningi, because into ezicabanga ayikho nje lento le. Everyone gets tempted.
Yeah.
It's about discipline. Simple.
Maybe Tina, maybe we do not have it in our DNA, like discipline. It wasn't ingested in us.
You will have it in your DNA because you come from a woman.
Yeah.
You will definitely have it. So nje lento oyikhulumayo ufuna nje ukulahlekisa abantu bakaNkulunkulu.
Angibalahlekisi ubona bazovumelana lami.
No, it makes it more difficult for the next generation to then have ama constructive relationships, because bakhule belabo malume labo bhuda wachithi vele namtshana cha lapha vele hayi ngokwethu lokho kunjalo vele ngeke kube layo i1. So how do you expect the next generation to have ama families abambekayo?
Yeah, you got me there.
because you're not conditioning them to do the right thing.
Yeah. But what's the, like, right now where we are, men will still go out there, get a side chick and whatnot, they still cheat and whatnot, siyabanjwa. But mina I believe ukuthi emhlabeni akunamuntu ocheata njengomfazi, and because you guys are libambeki.
The thing is like now when you start cheating, so ufuna ukumbonisa ufuna ugcwalise ukuthi abancingi velani sentolo kungcono. And when you guys cheat, you cheat ngoba nje you want to satisfy your 2 minutes angazi last things or whatsoever. When a woman starts cheating, she's cheating for growth. Ufuna ukuphuma ku,
she's cheating emotionally.
She's emotionally cheating. She wants to leave. Angeke umfazi akuchithele sakuthanda ifuna ukwakha nawe. The moment a woman starts cheating, she's been looking for a getaway route, but she doesn't know how to. And now there is someone that she sees ubona ngathi ukuthi lo angangiphatha ngcono than uThemba in terms of 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So awuthi ngibambise lapha ya.
I wanna fact check something here. I wanna go online and check ukuthi the states kunabantu bahlala besithi bona there are more women than men emhlabeni, so kumele share.
Mbani washo njalo?
That's why I want to fact check it. People say that.
Guys, do you guys think we're the only population emhlabeni abaningi or whatsoever? Because we don't have those problems with most of the white couples. Do we?
No, it's just that we are not exposed to them.
Yes,
you
will not hear.
You know why? They do their things respectfully.
So why can't we do our things respectfully?
I think Tina, maybe that's where we lack it, like maybe it's discipline in terms of globally there are slightly more men, approximately 4.09 billion than women as of 2024.
Oh, hallelujah. my you know what? It's fine. As starting his temple, my girls. Yes,
so this actually swings it. So you guys should.
Yes. Now I have the right to go there. It's nature. Nature is calling me to fulfill what the Lord has said.
That was one of a week. I wouldn't tell you.
And then I have fashion.
Don't want to know you guys. You want to.
Why can't you take what you're dishing out?
No, please. You can do anything. I wanna. Ladies, don't.
Oh, ladies, please. If he cheats, cheat back. Mchawuthwela nduthe.
Isongezo.
Singashona ngani. Singafa ngani. Lokho kuthiwa hayi uzolunga. Uba the moment you accept ukuthi uchithelo ka1, uzo accept impilo yakho yonke. Noma uzohlala 3 years achume up to mbambile. Okwesi4 uzokuphinda futhi.
Yeah, ne.
And futhi ungathi okay ngayenza kuyakuhloniphe akufihlelanga kubonisi okusala uyacheat. Uzothi hayi uyabuya usamanko endlini ebusuku. Ungcono yakwazithekaya kungaphi ikhaya langa.
I think we need to hold a national prayer. You guys pray for us. But Yoli, yabona endlini nje. Mfika before we close. This one is I want you to maybe make me understand here. Yabona indoda ungayihlonipha. Uyiphekele uyiwatshele wadwa angecheat. Wenzele ungakhulumi kakhulu. Iproblem mina lina uyazi ngithi ngingena so endlini vele emsebenzini. Bakathando. Ngithi nyalala vuka sikhulume. Wewe ubukhuluma noYolanda. Emsebenzini mina yasebenza there are ladies angihaki wena lipstick. You haven't even established ukuthi awubuzi sohlusila amankazana lawa.
Why are you being hugged in the first place?
So people shouldn't hug me.
Indoda ungayiphekela uyiwatshele asoze ukuthi which one are you living in?
Yes, that's the truth.
Into ekhuluma efana ukuthi umntathi umfana ngakubonisa ifamily yakhe vele sengowakho.
Isn't it the truth though?
Awazi abafana wena. Uzafa usubuka izandla. Kulokhu ukubizwa washo ukuthi ngifuna athathe izigqoko zinathi ezoziwashile ozi-ayinile achena bemuhle ayachitha ngazo bamkhumule zona.
Yeah.
There's nothing you can do to keep a man loyal. Isuka kuye as a man to decide ukuthi ngila.
Yeah.
And this is what I want to achieve.
Yeah.
When ungapheka abantu noma ungayashe eminyangeni umuntu wakho uzosebenza 2 seconds.
After that
uyele futhi umuntu abuyele back to ngoba yena self akazithandi. Yeah. Ukupheka yes we can cook, we can wash ngoba siyathanda phela ngithi senzela abantu bethu. But kuthi ngenza i-confidence ngithi uthi uyangeka nje shame. You don't know me.
Yo. Okay, gents liyazwa ngizamile ukulwela but ekugcineni I'm conceding, I'm accepting.
Ukuthi alikho discipline then.
Yeah. I think we need to work on ourselves.
Yes, please.
It comes from within.
Yes.
It all comes from us. I mean, and I know this from experience, from where I have been, where hlanganela umuntu uphila impilo oyiphilayo based on just your stupid thoughts and how you analyze life, ubheka abanye into yafuthi engikhiphe banganini, because I realize ukuthi abangane hlala kukhulunywa ngenyashi lwana ngimdlile lwana uso like ngathi kuyacompete. Then I realized ukuthi this is not taking me anywhere, and ngaphuma banganeni. Trust you me, love is beautiful, ntwana.
Oh kakhulu.
Especially if it doesn't even need to come from another person, because I think sometimes what we do is we want to enjoy love because someone loves us. So for me it came to a point where especially after the birth of my son, came to that point where I said I'm doing this for myself. And which is why even in the past, like people, you know, you get accused of, hey, you're cheating and whatnot, which is why I'll never even try and defend myself when it comes to those things, because I'm a cheater, like what I was saying earlier on. With the world that we live in has made us believe, oh, your nature, like what I was saying.
Yeah, right.
But at the end of the day, one can decide to allow.
Exactly.
Because nature also makes us sick. Isihlahla zingahluma sibe labo flu land, but we still try and make sure we medicate ourselves as heal. So I think the same way with the behavior, in those of cheaters and mijolo, you can decide. It's really up to one.
Yes, it's up to you as an individual to say, this is not how I want to live my life. This is what I want, and you discipline yourself. Savings.
Yeah.
It's difficult to born in my lutin like pants go mattress la paisha. Some days you'll be tempted, but you know what December for motor.
Yeah.
And for me,
Yeah. No.
Simple.
I hear you. Thank you so much. I think I want to have more of these conversations with you.
Shame.
So that we speak to not only the young people but even labadala, labanye abasazobuya at a later stage. Sixoxe izinto lezi, if we do not talk about them, sasa siyalahleka.
Silahlekile
already.
La sesenza damage control. Kumoshekile.
Yo. But also because we are coming from broken families.
Yes.
We are also creating broken families ourselves.
Yeah, you know abazali bethu bayibulala ngokuthi umuntu athi sendihlalele abantwana. Lapha ungahlalelanga thina. Uhlalele wena self, and you're just hiding behind the face.
Most of the time you know what it is. Ngizoyapi.
Uzoyapi uyahamba.
People abantwana amahloni ukubuyela back kibo.
That's the problem ngama what couples from the previous generation. I feel like they were conditioned ukuthi ungabuyeli usuyehlulekile life and awehlulekanga.
Yeah, society vele has done that. There's even names ama return soldiers.
Yes, mabuye
kwendeni.
Shame mabuye khona you survived uzikhiphile.
You might actually even meet a better person.
Exactly, and the good thing is you've seen it, you've experienced it. Yeah.
Phela also you know the age we live in, especially social media. the people that are complaining about something the most are actually going through that thing or have. That's what I have seen. Ngibona abantu uthi maybe uzipostele so efike yo movie uhlobo wazi umuntu akona struggling une low self esteem yena akazithembi. So for them to get it power they have to instill some pain on you.
So now uzohlala uhlalela usamankosi ekuchithelile wakulethela iHIV wena uhlele endlini lapho wakuyenza wazala abantwana abanomkhuhlane abantwana abangenzanga lutho qedwe uyakushaya uyakuhlukumeza usuzigubhela igodi la kusho ukuthi ulinda ukufa phela.
Wayibona lena wayiposta ko video where umntwana wabuya from ekhaya go to South Africa then waqala ukukhomba wayele 20 moved in lo mjida umjida wanting to control umntwana mncane nemuhle starts umjida uyaphuza amaphilisi but uyawafihla.
Oh no.
Lapho wafihla lesicatulweni se church like it was ngenye into nje like if you go back I think around like mid-March so uyefunda there was a story there and then uguy because he wants to control ugirl usebenza nzima nodonsa nzima kunzima ukuthi atshele ugirl directly ukuthi ngifuna uhlala endlini ungasebenzi laba abafuna ucontrol text inumber yomlungu kagirl sends umlungu imessage saying hello mlungu kagirl ugirl uyakutshontshela lapha endlini uhlale kuya le peanut butter le mayonnaise like you know when I was listening to the audio I'm like what and ugirl lost umsebenzi
uyabona amadoda angalangqondo
yo
umuntu acabanga okay sengiphelele umsebenzi uzobhadala irent wenza konke endlini
uyamchaya lapho ugirl has a thing like a sport where inola sakhulu because ngelinye ilanga wathi umchaya wayemqunta ama dreadlocks
uhleli kafuna ubuyele ekhaya.
As a man I was embarrassed when I read that thing. I even commented but also it speaks to the families we come from ukuthi abana bethu shame bengajahi ukuyahlala lo mfana especially sasemncane because as much as a better lo mfana but also let us not enable such things by uthola umntwana ole 20 years sesiyahlala lo mfana.
No bonke ba at fault. The thing is eshlupha ukuthi we tend like especially as women we tend to blame amadoda for everything.
Yeah.
But ungishayile ngalala endlini le ngavuka ekseni ngamphekela ngamwashela
wakuphinda
yes so nami I played a part in that.
Yeah.
So mase kumele ngiassess into yakho kumele ngisho ukuthi hey nami ngizifakile lapha
yeah
ngiyabo but that doesn't mean ukuthi into ayenza
exactly right. Yeah so I think which is why we should push empowerment kakhulu ukuthi both men and women alike we empower ourselves so that nxa ngingakuchaya you awulanto lana ukuthiwa eshingiza yapi because I think that is into eyenza sometimes abantu bahlale even ebona ukuthi uyabulawa
ubuvela ungapi in the first place ubusuka ngapi.
This is why we should fix the family structure because the broken family structure is pushing people into
but portray mina ngeke noma sokuthatha nabantwana abangu7 unganihlukumeza imkhukhi khona 350 450 lapha sihamba nongabantu abamsidayisa amagwinya sifuke si-survive.
Abantu bazothini yolana
abo bani bengobani bona la bahleli khona bahleli kamnandi sengenzela bona
but phela like is bazosblame abantu bazongihleka bethi sengiphelele ngumshado.
Then ngeke kusho ukuthi awuzithandi. Then you don't love yourself. Uphilela abantu uyisiqila sabantu. Nah.
Akurafu. Mbukeli uthini wakumbona nansi ingxoxo like as you can see sichana ngamakhanda wethana kunengi and we wanna learn abantu abadala come sifundiseni because we wanna learn also we wanna become better people, we wanna become better in relationships. What do? We wanna learn. Siyabuya le ngxoxo yena lesazoyiphinda let's go and learn and hear what people are saying
and
we'll come back
based on that.
Yeah
but ngicela ukungazwa ukuthiwa hey usisi lo nature sikenze
no. I take that back.
Thank you.
I take that back. I think sesingaxoxa lana because we want people when I also hear people's point of views but I mean I've made a decision. I'm actually getting married next year.
Ubusumshiya endlini sothi ha kangiphi peace Ngizadinga ngaphandle. I-peace, guys, it starts with you as the man. If you are my peace, I'll be your peace. If you are my hell, I'll be your hell. Sizavuka sikhulume ngo3 ekseni vele.
Vuka sikhulume.
Ngoba usandra ukutextile mfuna ukwazi ukuthini.
Yeah. Lani mankazana ngilani kutext ebusuku lani sometimes
I text lini especially mabela abafazi.
Sometimes asijolo uthola umuntu from nowhere.
Akulando njalo.
No,
angeke nje umuntu usukela ku text
bas text
abazana. Ukuthi ngusakazi bani.
Yebo. And some of them usuka maybe ama motives akhe ufuna ukuthi.
Why and this my nekufuna.
Yeah. Bas text uthola umuntu uphonga uthi I miss you. When 10 years ungangimisi usiphonga ukungimisa ngijadile.
But Buddha sikhuluma iqiniso angeke umuntu avela athi I miss you ngo3 lingazange lakhuluma before. Lingazange lakhuluma before. There would have been some uyaphuma platform before.
But Yoli, the time when I was friends with this person bengingekho lawe. So they will let that room for them to talk to me.
Okay, fine. So lami mtshele mnge indaba ka3 o'clock.
But I'm not gonna go around telling all of them.
Oh, you must. I'm your person. Kumele kwazi umhlaba. Why ulimit abantu?
Now I lose my friends.
Umngani vele why are you a friend with a girl when you are a man and you have a wife?
Why? Next topic, female and male besties.
Akula bestie nixila ku bestwani mina ngayibestiyo njengomuntu wakho.
Okay. So kunombuzo la.
Okay.
Right. So the question goes so guys, we are allowed to send questions for the next episode and whatnot. Ku right now like ngiyachita mina then ubusumbuza wena kumele mvume.
Yes,
so that you can scream at me.
No, the frustration yazi inkinga. I've always said this, at the end of the day uzothola ukuthi cheating yakho with the fact that you've cheated is not the main problem. The main problem sesiba ukuthi ungenza isilima wangiqambela amanga wayenza ama excuses wangenza ngabelieve ukuthi ngiyahlanya ngiyakusukela ngazi blame. That is where the main problem is. Then now when you sit down and you look at this person, you start thinking ukuthi ngempela kanithanda umuntu lo, allowing me to go through such an emotional breakdown.
But ngesaba phela ukuthi ngingavuma uzonchiya. I love you.
Chances of me staying mawuvumile are very high over chances of ukuthi ngihlale mina sengikutholile nga yabo ngaze ngiphume ngiyathatha ama screenshot ngiyobuzisisa ngizitholele mase mbiya kuwe ayisalungiseki into yakho because I gave you a chance ngihlalele nawe phansi. Wenzakalana you doing this wangibheka ngqwe emehlweni on top of doing it wambona ukuthi isilima lesingeke understand. That is where the problem is.
Yeah, but God bless you guys. You guys niyaxola.
Yes, siyaxola mongangenzanga isilima washo ukuthi okay, I did it. Admit ngiyenzile ubese uyaqamba phela manje ngoba venzo qamba ngakwenziswa ukuthi kwaku10 but okusala ivela ukwenzile. Yabo? But after that ungabe usuyekela ukuthi sengivumile and then you're done. Cha. Vuma and work on fixing it.
Okay.
Ungathi kusasa futhi ngoba kusasa vele nizovuka even if ungavuma. I sit down manje sina conversation, right? Ungakubuza uchithile, yes ngichithile, why? No, isikhathi beunganaso bongangiphisone, then I start blaming myself before yami. But imibhusisi lawo bemuhle udlula mina kugcwele engqondweni nami. Yaphuma yaphandle emajideni. Sesambona sisula futhi. I start thinking about it.
Yeah.
Mawubuye izoqala vele indaba. That's why sometimes uzugcina ususuzwa selikhuluma futhi naliyashesha ukukhohlwa. Manje ubungixolelani mawuzobulokho umbuzo wakho nolo ngcono seke ngincane so kumele kube yimengu incengayo futhi. You cheat, you fix until inhliziyo yami izibe right.
But you guys must forgive and
forget. No, kumele ngikhulume ngakho ngize ndele ngithi hayi akusangithi tho mangikhuluma.
But how about you find someone to talk to?
No, I want to talk to you, the one that did it, because ngifuna understand ukuthi how do we go from Chomi ngiyakuthanda ngifuna kuba lawe to you putting in a third party in the relationship. Ngifuna ukwazi. But I'm blaming myself in between that. Ngine self blame ukuthi maybe that day ngivakashela umama nge weekend kwangamelanga ngihambi wasale fikela lonely ngamvulela ispace. You need to assure me it was myself being selfish bengile kuthiwa ngiyini konje umkhopolo.
But mina ngifeel ngathi if you continue bringing it up I feel attacked.
You can't feel attacked ngento enzileyo.
Ngaxolisa.
Waxolisa but mina ke mawukakaxoli. Umenzi uyashesha ukukhohlwa. mele ngithi noma ma ungangithatha ngese Mauritius si happy ungithengele imoto sithathi siya test drive imoto ngiyipake ngithi but lapha chomi why wenza so you must be ready to answer me because you owe that to me ungenzile ngizwisa ubuhlungu you mustn't feel uncomfortable about the pain that you've caused me because mina how am I supposed to feel then when I'm also feel attacked
umuntu akona ngamxolela namuhla kusasa ngavuka sen smile uzothi susmayile usibongile so
smile usibongile kumele nje
I blocked her
umblockile number yazazi ekhanda uyaphuma lapho uyaphandla usibongile uyakwazi la lihlangana ngaphi zamba lo hlangana futhi kumele ukuthi nje mawuqeda ukubanje vele ununubale endlini a good 6 months uzwisa usi
ngingasajabula endlini yami
uzwisa usizi lesithala makuvuma uyalukudla mangubuza
it's going to make you feel better
yes mangubuza baby wangafuna yazi
ngiyasola gents ukuze siwini impilo let me tell you one thing Iran le America le ipheli so the best thing ukuthi we bend we become flexible we accept these guys lead these guys are the ones who are leading and the reason why we are failing is because we want to lead alone singamajita lokho vele nangcono lingzonde but these people which is why umjita ongelayo umfazi akula order into yakhona ungazi uyithini mina manje kunje so the reason why I haven't achieved a lot of things it's because I've been alone but because nginomuntu
congratulations
there's a lot of things that I'm seeing esengizibona manje and it's like that the problem is we don't want to accept ukuthi we both carry different powers you guys have what we call the power of influence you sometimes you don't even need to say it you by just actions if we get married you'll see that I'll start dressing differently because you influence my dressing ngoba nxa ngiyegeza ngiyathola usungifakele sengiqala ukuqoka the way umkhaba uzovela ngoba ngopheka that's influence the people I spend time with also it will come from that so but the problem uthi amajita thina siyenza inkani singafuna ukuba influenced that's where we lose touch with our partners because I continue chilling with amajita kade ngichila nawo saxoxa ngenyasha it can't
mele vele level up
so mele nami ngiqala ukuchilla with people that are also married so that sixoxe maybe ba share la ama challenges abo and wins and what not so yeah we wanna have more of these conversations where we learn correct one another sengifundile mina okunye when we started the episode kunenye inkulumo noma there are some thoughts that I thought were okay but she has called me here and I'm learning and there's some things that are changing
minus one problem to the society
female and male besties that's our next topic
all right guys please cheat back mabak cheatel
danko